Hi kids, so in my previous video I have already explained the entire thing about trigonometrical ratio. In this video let us see sums from exercise 17 based on trigonometrical ratio from L AGGARWAL. Just a recap, sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, some people have. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. The reciprocal of sine is cosec, so cosec theta is h by p. Cos, the reciprocal is sec, so sec theta is h by b. Tan theta, the reciprocal is cot theta, which is b by p. Then we had a reciprocal relation. Definitely, if you multiply these two, sine and cosec, you'll get 1. Cos and sec, you'll get 1. Tangent and cotangent, you'll get 1. Square relation, very important. That is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. We are going to use this a lot. Just remember. Quotient relation. Tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. If you divide these two, you'll get this. And cot theta definitely will be cos theta by sine theta. So let's get started. Look at sum number 2 part A. They've given a triangle ABC, right angle at A. First of all, find AC. Look, AC square will be BC square minus AB square. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is 10 square minus 6 square. So AC square is 100 minus 36. So AC square will be 64. So AC will be plus minus 8. We don't take negative sign because that's the side. It has to be positive. 8. Okay. Now look. They have told us to find sine B. Now when you talk about B, always remember, first of all, your BC is a hypotenuse. There's no doubt. With the angle, you always have the base and hypotenuse. So this becomes your perpendicular. So sine B, some people have perpendicular by hypotenuse. So is 8 by 10, which reduces to 4 by 5. Done. Now look at cos C. When I talk about cos C, just look over here. We are talking about this angle. Now when I talk about this angle, the hypotenuse is fixed. This becomes the base and this becomes the perpendicular, because with your angle, base and hypotenuse are aligned. Okay. So cos C is curly brown hair, base by hypotenuse, which is 8 by 10. Again, 4 by 5. Third, they told sine B plus sine C. We have got sine B. Just find sine C. See, sine B is what? 4 by 5. And sine C, again, some people have, which will be 6 by 10. Isn't it? When we talk about angle C, this becomes your perpendicular. Some people have. So this reduces to 3 by 5. Take an LCM, that's 4 plus 3. That's 7 by 5. That is 1, 2 by 5. Done. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 4 part A. They've given a triangle ABC, right angle at B. BAC is X. And inside that you have another triangle BDC, right angle at D, where angle DCB is Y. They've told us to find 2 sin Y minus cos Y. And then 2 cos X minus 3 sin Y plus 4 tan X. Look properly first. Look at this triangle. BDC. Over there, if you see, BC is the hypotenuse, so the hypotenuse square is the base square plus perpendicular square. Can we write this? Isn't it? Which means BC square is DC is 12 square plus 9 square. That's BC square is 144 plus 81. So your BC square is 225. Again, BC will be plus minus 15. But we need to take positive sign. So that's 15. So this is 15. We just got it. Now look at triangle ABC. Your AC is the hypotenuse. That is known. So we can say, see, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. We know. Base square plus perpendicular square equals to hypotenuse square. So AB is not known to us. Okay, BC is 15 square, 25 square. Okay, so AB square is 25 square minus 15 square. So AB square is, we can use the formula A square minus B square, A minus B, and thus A plus B, isn't it? So AB square is, this is how much? This is 10 multiplied by 40. This is AB square is 400. So your AB will be 20. So we got AB as 20. Done. Now look, 2 sine y. 2 sine y. When you talk about this triangle and this is your angle, then this becomes the base, this becomes the perpendicular, and this becomes the hypotenuse. So some people have, which is BD by BC, okay, minus cos y, curly brown hair, which is DC by BC. Just substitute the value. So twice BD is how much? 9. BC is how much? 15, minus DC is how much? 12. BC is how much? Again 15. Okay, so 15 is the LCM. That's 18 minus 12. That's 6 by 15, which is 2 by 5. Done. Now look at part 4. Twice of cos x. Now when you're talking about cos x, x means this angle. So this is your hypotenuse, no doubt, because it is opposite to angle B, which is 90 degree. So this is my hypotenuse. Sorry, I've written base. This is my hypotenuse. This becomes the base for x, okay, and BC becomes the perpendicular. See, okay. Now cos x, curly brown hair, which is base is 20 and hypotenuse is 25, minus 3 sine y, we already got 9 by 15, plus 4 tan x, turning permanently black, perpendicular by base, that's 15 by 20. Look carefully, 15 by 20. We'll just solve it. Okay, this is 5 3s, this is 5 4s, this goes away. Okay, so 2 4s are 8 by 5 minus 9 by 5 plus 3, isn't it? 5 taken LCM, that's 8 minus 9 plus 15. 15 plus 8, that will give you as a minus 9. That gives us 14 by 5, isn't it? So this is your answer, 14 by 5. Now let us see the next sum. Now look at sum number 5. If tan A equals to 5 by 12, angle A is acute. Find the value of cos A and cosec A minus cot A. Now there are two approaches to this sum. I'll show you both. One is simply using the squared relation. Just look over here. We know 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A. So I can say 1 plus 5 by 12 whole square equals to sec square A. I can tell 1 plus 25 by 144 equals to sec square A. I can say 144 plus 25, that is sec square A, which means sec square A is 169 by 144. That is sec A is 13 by 12. No doubt in that. Now, cos is the reciprocal of sec. So can I say cos A is 12 by 13? Done. Then cosec A minus cot A. Cot A we know. Cot is the reciprocal of this. So we know what is cot A. Cot A is 12 by 5. Now cosec A. Now cosec A is the reciprocal of sine. So first find sine with the squared relation. See, we got cos. So sine square A plus cos square A equals to 1, we know. Just substitute the value. So sine square A plus 12 by 13 whole square equals to 1. That's sine square A equals to 140 plus 144 by 169 equals to 1. That's sine square A equals to 1 minus 144 by 169. That's 169 taken LCM. I'll keep solving it. 25 by 169, which means sine A will be 5 by 30. Done. What they told us in the second part, look carefully. In the second part they told us cosec A. Cosec A minus cot A. Now look carefully. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sine, which is 13 by 5, minus cot A, which means 12 by 5, which is 1 by 5. Done. This is your first approach where we use the squared relation, okay, mainly, and solved it, and the reciprocal concept. The other way is drawing a triangle and continuing. Just see. I'll draw a triangle. Look over here. A, B, C, right angle triangle. A is my acute angle over here. So if A is this, we know this is your base. This is always the hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular. Now, tan A is given as 5 by 12. This is perpendicular by base. We know. Turning permanently black. So your perpendicular I can take as 5K and your base I can take as 12K, isn't it? Be careful. The common factor has to be there. Don't take it that let the perpendicular be 5 and the base be 12 because it's a ratio. Okay? Where K is the common factor. First find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC square is base square plus perpendicular square. So AC square is, this is 144 K square plus 25 K square. That's 169 K square. So your AC will be 13K. Done. And this is base is 12K. Perpendicular is 5K. Now find cos A. Curly brown hair. Base by hypotenuse. That's 12K by 13K. That's 12 by 30. Isn't it? Now, see. Number 2. Cosec A minus cot A. Cosec A. Cosec A is hypotenuse by perpendicular. That's 13K by 5K. Minus cot. Cot is base by perpendicular. That's 12K by 5K. Okay. That's 1 by 5. So you can use any one approach for this sum. Now let us do the next sum. Now look at 6 part A. In a triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degrees. So just draw the triangle. A right angle triangle, okay. Suppose this is A, B, C. This is 90. If AB equals to 7 centimeter, and they have given a relation. BC minus AC equals to 1 centimeter. Find sine C and then tan B. First look, we'll use Pythagoras theorem. Now I can say BC equals to 1 plus AC. Now Pythagoras theorem say perpendicular square plus the base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now AB is 7. So 7 square plus AC. AC I'll write like this only. BC, instead of BC I can write 1 plus AC whole square. So 7 square plus AC whole square equals to 1 plus, this is A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus twice A B. AC square cancels. 7 square is 49 minus 1 equals to twice AC, which means AC is 48 by 2. That's 24. So we got AC as 24. So what will be BC? BC will be 1 plus 24. That's 25. Done. Now look at first part. Sine C. Some people have perpendicular. If this is your angle, this is your base. This of course is the hypotenuse always. This is your perpendicular, isn't it? Now perpendicular by hypotenuse, that's 7 by 25. Done. Now but they're talking about tan B. Tan B. When you take this angle, be careful, B, then this becomes your base and this becomes your perpendicular. Hypotenuse is always same. So tan is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is AC, which is 24, and base is this, which is 7, AB. Okay. Now let us see the next sum. Now look at sum number 8 part A. In the figure, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC 5 centimeter each and BC is 6 centimeter. Find sine of angle C, tan of angle B, and tan C minus cot B. Very easy. We know if you draw a median AM, we know the median in an isosceles triangle bisects the base into two equal halves, which means this will be 3 centimeter and this will be 3 centimeter. So in triangle ABM, look carefully, in triangle ABM, AM square, that's perpendicular square, is hypotenuse square minus base square. Am I clear or not? That's AM square is AB square, that's 25, minus BM square, that's 3 square, that's 9. So your AM square is 16. So your AM will be 4 centimeter. No doubt in that. Now see, number 1, sine C. Some people have, when you talk about this triangle AMC, look carefully, sine C, some people have, that's AM by AC, that's 4 by 5, done. Then tan B, look over here, tan B, tan is permanently black, that's perpendicular by base, perpendicular. If you look in this triangle ABM, perpendicular is 4 and base is 3, done. Number 3, tan C minus cot B. Now tan C, when this is your triangle AMC, you know, talking about triangle AMC, look carefully, tan C, perpendicular by base, that's 4 by 3. Am I correct or not? That's 4 by 3 minus cot B. Cot B we know, tan B is 4 by 3. So cot B will be 3 by 4. Am I clear or not? That is 12 is the LCM, 3 4s are 16, minus 4 3s are 9. That's 7 by 12. Done. Okay. Look at this sum. If sine theta equals to 3 by 5, theta is acute. Find cos theta and tan theta. Very easy. Just use the squared relation. Done. Or you can do it by triangle method. See, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta, which is 1 minus 3 square by 5 square, that's 9 by 25, that's 16 by 25. So cos theta is 4 by 5. Since theta is acute, so cos will be positive. Then tan, very good, the quotient relation. Tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta is how much? 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. So that's 3 by 4. Done. Okay, you can do it by triangle method also. It will be time consuming, I think. Okay. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 30. If cosec theta is root 5, theta is acute, find the value of cot theta minus cos theta. Now look carefully. This is cosec theta root 5. So can I say sine theta is the reciprocal of this? Can I say like this? Definitely. Now I'll use the square relation. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, which means 1 by root 5 whole square plus cos square theta equals to 1, which means cos square theta is 1 minus, this is 1 by 5, that's 4 by 5. So your cos theta is 2 by root 5. Am I clear or not? Because cos theta will be root of 4 by 5. Root of 4 is 2 and root of 5 is root 5 only. Okay. And we take positive because theta is acute. For acute angle, cosine, sine, they are all positive. Okay. Now we got cos theta. Now look carefully. We know cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. So cos theta is this divided by sine theta is 1 by root 5. So your cot theta is 2. Now find the value. They told us find cot theta minus cos theta. Cot theta is 2 minus cos theta is 2 by root 5. So that's root 5, that's 2 root 5 minus 2. Rationalize the denominator. Okay, because we can't leave the answer like this. We need to remove the shirts from the denominator. So that's 2 root 5 multiplied by root 5. That's 10 minus 2 root 5, 5. And that's your answer. Am I clear? Now let us look at sum number 14. Okay. Sin theta is P by Q. Find sin theta plus cos theta in terms of P and Q. Very easy. Same way, you just use the relation. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Which means cos square theta plus P square by Q square equals to 1. Which means cos square theta equals to 1 minus P square by Q square. Which means cos theta is root over of 1 minus P square by Q square. Which I think it will be, if you take Q square, then it will be Q square minus P square. So ultimately cos theta will be root of Q square minus P square by Q. Okay, find, they have told sin theta plus cos theta in terms of P and Q. Just let us see. Sin theta plus cos theta will be, sin theta is what? P by Q plus root over of Q square minus P square by Q. Q taken LCM, so P plus root over of Q square minus P square. And that's your answer. Interesting sum, okay? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 16. 13 sin A equals to 5. Evaluate 5 sin A minus 2 cos A by tan A. Now look carefully. I'll just use the relation. I can say sin A equals to 5 by 30. I know the relation. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Which means 5 by 13 whole square plus cos square A equals to 1. Which means cos square A equals to 1 minus, this goes over there, becomes 25 by 169. Which is cos square A will be 144 by 169. We have done tons of sums like this, okay? So cos A will be 12 by 30. Done. Once you get cos A, can I find tan A? Tan A is sin A divided by cos A, the quotient relation. That's 5 by 13 divided by 12 by 30. That's how much? That's 5 by 12. Now find this. They have told 5 into sin A. Sin A is how much? 5 by 30 minus twice cos A. That's 12 by 30 by tan A. That's 5 by 12. So this becomes 25 by 13 minus 24 by 13, 5 by 12. So this becomes, if I'm not wrong, 1 by 13 divided by 5 by 12. This becomes 12 by 65. Done. Now let us see this sum, number 18. The diagonal AC and BD of a rhombus ABCD meet at O. If AC is 8 cm and BD is 6 cm, find sine angle OCD. Very easy. First draw the rhombus. And we know in a rhombus, the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degrees. Suppose A, B, C, D. This is 90 degree, we know, O. Okay, AC is 8 by 6. So this will be 4, this will be 4 centimeter. BD is 6, so this will be 3 centimeter and this will be 3 centimeter. That sine OCD, which means this. Okay, so this becomes your base. This is hypotenuse and this is your perpendicular, isn't it? Now look carefully. First find CD. CD square is 4 square plus 3 square, base square plus perpendicular square, which 16 plus 9, that's 25. So CD will be what? 5. So sine of angle OCD, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse we just got is 5. So that's your answer. Done. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 90. Very nice sum. If tan theta is 5 by 12, find the value of cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. You can do it by triangle method, but again, that will be time consuming. Look over here. They have told us to find cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. What I'll do, divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. I can do this. I can divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same quantity. So cos theta by cos theta is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta becomes tan theta by cos theta by cos theta is 1 and this is minus sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. And actually tan theta is known to us. So 1 plus 5 by 12, 1 minus 5 by 12. Am I correct or not? 12 is the LCM, so 12 plus 5. 5 again, 12 is the LCM. 12 minus 5, so that's 12, 12 goes away. That's 17 by 7. Done. Very easy. Look at this. 20. 5 cos A minus sin A equals to 0. So can I write 5 cos A equals to sin A? Look carefully. What is given to us? A is acute, okay? So I can write 5 equals to sin A, 5 cos A, which is 5 equals to tan A. So we got tan A equals to 5. They have told us to find the value of sin A plus cos A by 2 cos A minus sin A. Just divide the numerator and denominator by cos A and just proceed like this. Okay? Same pattern, see? You can solve it on your own. This one also, see? If 3 cot theta equals to 4, find the value of this. Same. Now we can write cot theta equals to 4 by 3 from here. So I can write tan theta is 3 by 4. Then again same method. You divide this by cos theta and then substitute the value of tan theta and then simplify it. Okay? Let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 24. If 5 sin theta equals to 3, find the value of sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta. Just look carefully what they have given. 5 sin theta equals to 3. So can I write sin theta equals to 3 by 5? I can write like this. Now look what we need to find. Sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta. Now sec theta can I write 1 by cos theta, reciprocal. Okay, and tan theta can I write sin theta by cos theta. Similarly over here, just look carefully. So if you simplify this, in the numerator we have cos theta taken LCM. In the denominator you have theta is acute, so cos theta cannot be 0. Okay, it's positive. Okay, so cos theta cancels out. So what remains? 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Now substitute the value. 1 minus 3 by 5, 1 plus 3 by 5. That's how much? 5 taken LCM. So 5 minus 3. Again 5 taken LCM. 5 plus 3. 5 cancels out. 2 by 8. That's 1 by 4. Done. Clear? Now look at 25. If theta is acute angle and sin theta equals to cos theta, find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Look, this is given to us, sin theta equals to cos theta. So can I write, look carefully from here, sin theta by cos theta equals to 1, which means tan theta equals to 1. 1 means 1 by 1. So if I draw a triangle, suppose like this, if this is my theta, A, B, C, this is my perpendicular, this is my base, this is my hypotenuse. Tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base. So this is 1k, that's k. And base is k. Okay, I can let the perpendicular be 1k, let the base be 1k. So hypotenuse AC square is k square plus k square, that's 2k square. So AC will be root of 2k square, that's root 2k. Done. Root 2k. I could have done it by the relation also, but I need to show you a sum with triangles. Look over here. Now they have told us to find 2 tan square theta, that's 1 square, plus sin square theta. Some people have, that's k by root 2k whole square minus 1. That's 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus k cancels out, that's 1 by 2 minus 1. So that's 2 plus half minus 1, that's 1 and a half, that's 3 by 2. Done. Clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at this sum. 26 part 1. Prove that cos theta tan theta equals to sin theta. Very easy. Take the left hand side. Cos theta tan theta. Can I write by quotient relation tan theta is sin theta by cos theta? So this is nothing but sin theta. Done. Look at part 2. Sin theta cot theta is cos theta. Same way. Look, LHS is sin theta cot theta. So sin theta cot theta we know, cos theta by sin theta by quotient relation. So that's cos theta. Next, sin square theta by cos theta plus cos theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Take the left hand side. Sin square theta by cos square theta. Sorry, cos theta plus cos theta. Okay, take LCM. So that's 1. So that's cos theta. So that's sin square theta plus cos square theta, isn't it? This multiplies over here. So that's 1 by cos theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 30. ABCD is a quadrilateral where angle B is 90, angle C is 90. Find the value of sin phi. This symbol is known as phi and tan theta, and write an expression for AD in terms of theta. Very easy. First of all, look at BDC. BDC. This is 90, this is 30, this is 12. So we can say DC square plus BC square is BD square, Pythagoras theorem, which means DC square plus this is 12 square equals to 13 square. So DC square is 169 minus 144. 12 square is 144. Goes on that side. We have done calculation, a lot of time this type. So DC will be 5. Done. And this is your 5. So sin phi, some people have. So it's perpendicular by hypotenuse. In this triangle, the perpendicular is 5. Hypotenuse is 13. So that's done. Tan theta. Now look at ABD. What I'll do a construction first. Look carefully. I'll draw DF. Construct DF parallel to BC. Okay, which means if this is 90, this will be 90. Okay, and FD and BC will be equal. Okay, so this is 12. So this is 12. It's a rectangle. It's a parallelogram. This entire thing is 14. This is 5. So this is 5. So this is 9. Done. Tan theta. This is a theta. Look, I'll draw the diagram. This is your A, F, D. This is 12. This is 9. This is theta. Now this is theta. This is your base. This is your perpendicular. And hypotenuse is fixed. First find AD. So AD square is 9 square plus 12 square. We know. So AD square is 81 plus 144. That's how much? That's AD square is 225. So AD will be root of 225. That's 15. Done. Tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Look over here. This becomes a perpendicular, which means 12 by 9. That's 4 by 3. Done. Okay. Write an expression for AD in terms of theta. Very easy. Look, in this triangle AFD, somebody can tell me. Now there's a huge cloud burst. You can hear that voice. Okay. Now back to the sum. A still is going on. AFD. I can say sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is 12 by AD. Am I clear? So AD will be 12 by sin theta. So I've written AD in terms of sin theta. Now somebody can tell me, sir, you're wrong, because cos theta I can write as base by hypotenuse, which is AF by AD. I can do like this also. You can. So your AD is nothing but 9 by cos theta. See, I've written AD in both the time with respect to theta. Done. Let us look at the next sum. Now look at 31 part 1. Prove that sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A whole square is equal to 2. You can still hear the cloud burst. Okay, they're disturbing us. Now let us see. I'll take the left hand side. Okay, so it's sine A plus cos A whole square plus sine A minus cos A whole square. So A plus B whole square is what? A square plus B square plus twice A B plus this also same thing, A square plus B square minus twice A B. So this and this cancels out. Now sine square A plus cos square is 1 plus sine square A plus cos square is 1. We know. So that's 2. Done. Part 2. Again we'll take left hand side. Cot square A minus 1 by sine square A plus 1 equals to 0. Now look carefully. Cot square A minus 1 by sine is cosec, we know, so we can write cosec square A plus 1. Now look carefully. Over here, look carefully. We know that, look carefully, cot square A minus cosec square A will be minus 1. Look at this relation, which means this becomes minus 1 plus 1. That becomes 0. Proved. The last one is pretty easy. 1 by 1 plus tan square A plus 1 by 1 plus cot square A equals to 1. Very easy. Left hand side, look properly. 1 by 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square is sec square A. So that becomes sec square A plus 1 by 1 plus cot square A. That becomes 1 by cosec square A. Now 1 by sec is cos, because sec cos, the reciprocal is sec. So we can write cos square A plus sine square A, because cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Okay, so that's 1, because cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. Done. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 32. Simplify root over of 1 minus sine square A by 1 minus. Very easy. Look, 1 minus sine square A will be cos square A, because sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you take sine square theta on that side. So cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Similarly, 1 minus cos square theta will be sine square A, I can write. Now this cos by sine is cot square A. We know, quotient. So this will be cot of A. Done. Am I clear or not? Number 33, the last sum. If sine theta plus cosec theta is 2, find the value of sine square theta plus cosec square theta. Very easy. This is given to us, isn't it? Squaring both sides. So that's sine theta plus cosec theta whole square equals to 2 square. So that's A square plus B square plus twice A B is equal to 4. Sine and cosec are reciprocal, so if you multiply them, you'll get 1. So sine square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 equals to 4, which means sine square theta plus cosec square theta equals to 4 minus 2. That's 2. So keep it till here for the day. In the next video, we'll see the next exercise. Okay? Till then, take care.